training by regions around the world, through West Africa, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, Mongolia, Hong Kong, and Russia. That's quite a handful. Okay. The floor invites Dr. Shafiuddin Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dr. Shafi. I have heard Dr. Bala's presentation. It was really, really good. Wounds, right? We saw a lot of pictures and all this stuff. For next 1 hour, I'm going to present to you something completely different from what you have all these while practicing. You're actually doing day to day. I give a different perspective of human body, different understanding of who we are. Isn't it okay? Next 1 hour, you may have a lot of questions in your mind, maybe entirely different concept you never heard. Okay? So let me start with this question: who are we really? We know that we are human beings, right? But what else we are? If you go into our body, we see organs. Organs have tissues. Tissues have cells. Cells have the nucleus, where energy is being produced. Can we say we are all energy beings? Do you all agree? We are energy beings, right? Ultimately, the difference between a living and a dead is the energy in the cell. What actually is responsible to get this energy generated is nutrition, and very, very important thing, other than the oxygen, is something which we rely on every single day, that is the water. Do you all agree with me? Water, what we drink, it is very, very essential. It is the second most important element for our body in order to stay alive, healthy, and do lot of functions. So let us understand. I put a word here, structured water. That means, are we not drinking structured water every day? So let's understand. So let us see. Yeah. Did you know? Okay, maybe you have to move. Yeah. The water that we drink on a daily basis. Go to the next slide. Our body consists of over 70% of water, and look at the development stages. When we are born, when we are in mother's fetus, we are actually, developing in our mother's womb, we are 100% water. Then when you're born, you are 80%. When you are an adult, it's 70%, and then it drops. When you grow olderly, you'll see that your water percentage is dropping. And water carries a lot of functions, which includes, you see, all the, functions of drinking water. It is not something new to you. Definitely you know the functions of drinking water in day-to-day life. But I am not something that here to teach you. You're all medical doctors, you're practicing everything. But what I want to ask you, in today's generation, okay, if you ask your kids, or maybe younger generation, when they are thirsty, what they are doing today, they are not drinking water, they are opening a can of Coke, or a Pepsi, or carbonated drinks. All these carbonated drinks, they do have water as an element, as a base, but they have a lot of dehydrating substances. So you may drink and think that you are quenching your thirst. In fact, you are increasing your dehydration of your cells. Okay? So if you are consuming a can of, I'm not going against any particular brand, okay, any carbonated drink for that matter, it can be anything. Okay, you take any brand, maybe 100 plus, very popular here, right? Okay, so you are consuming that one can of 100 plus is basically you are adding acidic levels to your body. If you want to remove it, you need 32 glasses of water to consume. one can of 330 ml or 300 ml, you consume it. The acidity levels that are added to your body, you want to flush it out. You need 32 glasses of water to flush it out. Isn't it something new? Yeah, something that triggers you. Oh, the good thing is water plays an important role. Water is so important, but are we really paying enough attention to it? Are we drinking enough water in a day today? Ask yourself, okay? Every single human being, adults, we need minimum 3 to 4 liters of water in order to enjoy the health. Not only survive. If you want to survive, drink 10 glasses, no problem. So if you go for shower, would you like to have, shower for 20 minutes underwater, or you just want 1 pail of water? So if you want to enjoy the benefits, you need more, 3 to 4 liters. Okay? Now, what is more important here, I want to introduce an amazing research that was done in 1912 by Dr. Alexis Carrel. Dr. Alexis, he has done an experiment, and simply to put, he took a living chicken. You know the chicken, right? Hence daughter, son, chicken. And he took the heart of the chicken out and he kept it in the laboratory alive for 34 years. How many years? 34 years. Is it possible otherwise for a chicken to be alive for 34 years? Definitely not. What is the reason why he was succeeded? He wrote in his book, The Secret, why he succeeded in this experiment. He was bathing these cells, heart cells of the chicken every single day in fresh water, and the pulsation of the cells extended for some more time, like 24 hours. Every day he was bathing the cells in the fresh water, the pulsation extended. 34 years. After 34 years, he created a chicken out of the cells. If you know test tube babies and all, he is the father of embryology, in vitro embryology. Okay, you can Google about Dr. Alexis Carrel, and he wrote, his statement, if you look at here, the cell of human body is immortal by design. It is not meant to die. Our design of our cells, if you give 3 important things, one is oxygen, second one is the nutrition, but the third one, very, very important, you need to renew your liquid. Renew the drinking water, and your pulsation of the cells can go forever. But unfortunately, we are not immortals, correct? We definitely one day have to die, but here you can increase the quality of life. So he says, water is life. So my question to all practitioners here, with all respect, do you believe that water is life? Yeah. Any answers? Yes? Hello? Yes? Yeah. I'm just asking. I'm not questioning anything. Water is life is really, really important. We need to understand that. So when you understand what is life, so answer my simple question. What is the best water in the world? Is it the tap water that comes in your home is the best, ultimate water in the world? Is it the bottled water that we buy from the supermarkets are the best? Is it the rainwater today is the best? What do you think? Is it groundwater today is the best? Have you heard of pollution coming from industries and all this stuff? Yeah, our groundwater is also contaminated, right? Rainwater, acid rains. So, there is a lot of research conducted by various amazing, prominent scientists, and the answer for this question is something natural spring water, or mountain spring water, or the water which is found in nature. Unfortunately, we are not drinking that. We are drinking which is processed in the reservoirs, chemically treated, are mechanically distributed by the pipeline systems, or the motor pumps everywhere in our societies. So what is so special about these ultimate waters in the world? They have got the properties which unfortunately we are not having it right now. The water in front of our table right now doesn't have all these properties. Ask yourself, okay, you can read all the features that the water should have by right. If you look at the mountain spring waters or the ultimate waters, these are the properties that should have. It should last long. Unfortunately, the water that we are drinking today, if you just store it in a pail, leave it aside, after 30 days or 15 days, you will see worms, germs, swimming. Can you afford to drink that water? But I'm sure you all know about Zamzam from Makkah, right? It's actually something gifted. You heard of so many different waters in the world. Around 14 amazing stories about mountain spring waters, including Zamzam. They can be stored for 50 plus years. The mention is also there in our holy book of Quran, right? So what is this waters and the properties that we are talking about? Why our regular waters don't have that kind of properties? Okay, so if you look at what exactly all these waters have, and few examples, okay, there is a place in Kashmir, Pakistan, Kashmir. It's called Hunza, a beautiful place. If you look at this place, isn't it fantastic? Valleys, right? There is a lake and beautiful greenery, everything. You go today to this place. That means you travel to Pakistan, Kashmir, now Hunza, and you meet the villagers who are living around Hunza. And you will be surprised to know that average lifespan is above 100 years today. They can live above 100 years today. But my question is, can we guarantee that we can live that many years now? Living in all these cosmopolitan, metropolitan, all kinds of pollution. We have environmental problems, so many things. But people here, at the same date, same time, same era, they can live above 100 years. So there is something wrong in our drinking water. Okay, so our regular water, we call it damaged, distorted. All these waters, I call it dead water. Have you heard of this word, dead water? That means the water have the structure, H2O is still H2O, but it is not having a bonding which otherwise all mountain spring waters, including natural spring waters, they have this beautiful alignment in these waters. If you look at these pictures, they are so uniformly arranged. They are structured in a hexagonal crystal. Can you see that? A beautiful bonding between H2O. If you are building a house, you need to put a brick on top of the brick. How you put the bricks, how you want to structure it, it makes your house look square, rectangle, circular, spherical or whatever. So here, structured waters, which are found in nature, they have a beautiful hexagonal crystal, and these waters are bound to show amazing healing properties. They have got the best properties. That's why one of the pictures is Zamzam. I will not tell you, I will give you this small homework. You can go and Google and tell me which one is Zamzam here. Okay? It is have a beautiful structure which is found in nature. Now my question is, how can we get this water every single day in our home? Okay, maybe we'll ask that question. And before that, we have an amazing research conducted by a scientist. His name is Dr. Gerald Pollack from Washington. And have you heard of this doctor? Dr. Gerald Pollack. Yeah, he came in 2015, yes. He came to Malaysia to give a lecture, and he was also given an award in Taylor's University. Okay, I will also share pictures. He is actually invented something we never knew, but it is existing all the while. We know the water has 3 stages, yes? One is the ice, second one is water, third one is vapor. But he invented the 4th stage. Are you aware of it? I can see a lot of blank faces. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying whatever I'm going to share, it requires for you to go back and research, and then you realize, oh, the world is already gone way ahead than what we are thinking. The 4th stage of water is nothing but easy water. Exclusion zone water, okay? So it comes between ice and water. So we know water is liquid, and there is some jelly kind of substance which is in between ice and the regular water, which is 99% found in our cells. Our body, 99% cells, inside the cells we have easy water, exclusion zone water. So what is this exclusion zone? Okay, he wrote an amazing book, The 4th Phase of the Water. Okay, Dr. Gerald H. Pollack, who is from Washington University. You can actually read about his book. Beautiful. Okay, exclusion zone is basically where your highly negative ions will be present, and it excludes all unwanted things that are not required by your body. It can be toxins, it can be waste products, it can be anything that are unwanted will be pushed to highly positive side, bulk water. So when the water is structured, it divides the water into bulk water and the exclusion zone. Exclusion zone is what our body enjoys the most. That is responsible for quality of life. If you heard quality of life, is like full of energy. People look at you and say, hey, you have so much of energy. From where you are getting this energy? Okay, all these things are possible if your body is filled with S water or easy water. Those people who are sick in their body, it is less found. Easy water is not that much. It's actually more bulk water, less easy water. Okay. Now, there's also a lot of experiments, videos available on YouTube by Dr. Gerald Pollack. His university, has got a lot of experiments done by various scientists who are, non-profit organization. He runs a non-profit organization where voluntarily the scientists or doctors who are interested in water structure, they go to him, they learn, they do testings in their laboratory. And if you are interested, you can actually look at one small experiment they have done. Okay, it's a water bridge. Okay, between two glasses, the water forms a bridge. Okay, you can also check it on YouTube. Okay, if you have internet, we can play that video, but maybe next time. You can check. Water bridge is possible if you have the water with structure or easy zone. Now coming to, these are some of the pictures where Dr. Gerald Pollack was present in 2015 in Malaysia. Okay, and we were all there. Okay, I was also there, Dr. Amra also there. So we have a fantastic time in 2015 learning something which we never heard before. Okay, now talking about structured water, how can we get this structured water every single day in our home? And before that, healthy cells are filled with structured water, whereas sick cells don't have. That means when your body loses the structured water or replaced by dead water, your sickness will start into your cells. Okay, this is coming from the point of water structure. So how can we enjoy every single day the structured water in our home? How can we manufacture structured water sitting at our home? Any answers? Easy answer, relocate yourself to the nearest mountain spring. Okay, I mean wherever it is possible, wherever it is found in the nature, you can just go there and live, drink every day that water. Or, second one, you heard of few brands in the market like Evian, Fiji, right? They claim they are actually taking the water directly from the mountain springs and they are packing and they are actually selling, but they sell at high price. That's the reason why the price of Evian will be different. Okay, QNet in 2006, we are talking about 14 years back from now, launched the technology which is mineral fusion technology. Okay, right now we are into the third version of that technology, and we introduced the product to convert ordinary water into structured water sitting in your home. You don't need to go anywhere. You can be in your clinic, but you can energize the water, structurize the water, and the product, what we are calling the product, it is Amesqua Biodisc 3. Now, Amesqua Biodisc 3 is the product name. Third version, 3 refers to third version, and it is so simple. This product, easy for you to carry. It is in my pocket. I mean, you don't need to have a filter, you don't need to have all these things. Filter purifies the water. I'm talking about structurizing the water. It is in the form of a disc. What is this glass disc? When you look at it for the first time, you may easily, I exactly felt what you're feeling right now. Okay? In 2006, when I saw this product, I said, scam, paperweight. My friend said, maybe probably ashtray. Okay? But when I understood and did experiments and clinical studies, we're going to share a lot of stuff about why this product looks so simple, but it can perform or it can transform, okay, your life, your health into a different state just by altering the structure. It is something unbelievable. Okay, let us see what is this product actually has. This product, Biodisc 3, it has 14 minerals and 2 crystals which are mixed in boron or borosilicate, which is the base material, and it is heated to around 2000 to 3000 degrees centigrade, then it becomes liquid, and it is actually put onto the molds where it gets exactly imprinted like this, and it will be polished and it will be kept into a chamber where it stays for 7 days and there is bombardment of various kinds of frequencies. So in that zero field, it will stay for 7 days. So it has got crystals and minerals. The two crystals that we are embedding into the biodisc are diamond and quartz, diamond powder and quartz powder. 14 minerals are proprietary. We are not going to reveal the secret because that is the main secret of the biodisc. And ultimately, what will happen? It has got an energy field around it. Like how we know that gold and silver also got energy field around it. We have here right now selected mineral and crystal energy field around it. Now, in our school days, we did one experiment with a magnet, right? We took a magnet and we took an iron particle, it can be anything. And we brought closer, what happened? Magnet and iron stuck to the magnet, right? And you left it there for half an hour. After that, you remove the magnet. Can this iron behave like a magnet? Temporary magnet, right? What exactly happened here? The magnetic properties influence the atoms and molecules of the iron. Similarly, exactly how the magnetic induction, the concept, mineral energy field of the biodisc influences the water of your water bottle or a glass, and you put it on top of it, leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes. How a magnet influences iron, a biodisc energy field influences the alignment of the water back to the structure. Okay, and after 5 or 10 minutes, this water is structured water, meaning you can send this for a laboratory where the structured water can be tested under microscope. I'm going to show you. First of all, how the dead water looks like, or ordinary water looks like. Let us see in the form of a video. Okay, this is tested in Japan laboratory called IHM. Dr. Masaru Emoto, have you heard of Dr. Masaru Emoto? You have seen his videos? Yeah, he passed away in 2014 December, and his son taken over the laboratory. His son name is Hiro Emoto. In his laboratory, they have taken the water from their tap, 50 samples. Their own tap water, 50 samples, okay? And we sent the biodisc. So they tested 50 samples of their own tap water, and this is the video of their tap water. In Japan, IHM laboratory tap water. Let's see how does it actually look like under microscope. It's a live video. It's a raw footage of dead water or damaged water or distorted water or polluted water. You can name it anything, but it is not the best. This is real raw footage of the structure under microscope. What you see, there is no hexagonal crystal, distorted, damaged. Now, the same tap water was put it on the biodisc, okay, the bottle, put it on the biodisc, so left it there 15 minutes, and then the same water is put it onto 50 petri dishes, and the same dead water right now, in the same laboratory, turned into a beautiful structured water. This live footage. Dr. Hiro Emoto, given the certificate, given all the clips to QNet after conducting the test, he has given the certification and everything. Okay, so you are watching right now. It is a live crystal which is expanding under microscope. Isn't it beautiful? Watch it again. If you can just go back. Okay, I'm coming back to the structured water. Structured water. Look how it is beautifully expanding from the 6 points of the hexagon. Isn't it beautiful? Amazing, right? But unfortunately, our drinking water, which we think it's okay to survive. I mean, we are drinking, right? Every day, it's okay. We are not giving importance to the water at all, but that is dead. It is not at all aligned. And you have a tool, biodisc free. And it is proven right now with the clinical studies and also with the laboratory experiments that you can convert ordinary water into structured water, and 30 years minimum it will work. The lifespan of the product, 30, and it is based on the principles of quantum physics. It is based on the principles of energy field, how it affects the other liquids or like water or even our body. Look at our body. Our body is walking, talking, storage of 70%. If you are carrying this product like I am carrying right now, right? What exactly happening? I am transferring the energy to my body. And what does my body have? Water. Your water percent is 70%. So what will happen? You will find me very, very energetic. You will find me that I'm having a lot of energy, right? Are you feeling it or not? Obviously, right? The exactly same thing will happen. And water, this is the most ignored area, if you ask me. Dehydration is responsible for so many diseases. Dr. Batman Hellich, have you heard of his story? Dr. Batman? Yeah, Dr. Batman Hellich from Europe, from Iran. Okay, he's actually from UK, but he was posted long back. I think I'm talking about 80 years or 60 years back, 1940s or 1950s. He was actually the doctor to the king of Iran. Okay, and there is a conflict that happened, and the king put him into jail, like prison. So when he entered the prison, he saw the patient, a fellow prisoner was crying in pain. He was holding his stomach and crying in pain. So doctor was like, he immediately asked the jailer, what happened? Why you are not giving medicines to them? He said, yeah, that is the punishment. We don't want to give medicines to any prisoners or somebody who is actually going through, the punishment. So this doctor asked, okay, can I just have a glass of water? Can you give that at least? He said, yes. And he started giving a glass of water every hour to the person who was actually having a colon cancer, or something to do with the colon, abscess, okay? He didn't know because it was in the prison. They don't have any kind of testing methods or whatever. But he just started giving the water every hour 1 glass, and he treated him in 1 month inside the prison, and he understood how important water for our life. Dehydration is the very, very basic problem why our body actually goes into disease state, why it get unwell and all this stuff. So he wrote a book. In fact, when the outside world, the king changed and the new king came in Iran, and the new king wanted Dr. Batman to come out. He said, no, I'm doing research, I have to finish. Only then I will come. So he did testings, or you can say clinical trials in his own way on other prisoners who have various problems like back pain, arthritis, and all this stuff. And then he came out and wrote the book. So it is something that new to all of you, but I'm telling it is 14 years where QNet is actually actively promoting this product all over the world. And we have successful customers over 5 to 10 million all over the world. Okay? Yeah. Should we stop? Yeah. Until Azan finish. Meant to energize the water, so you place all your water bottles or even glass or a pail of water, and BioDisc you can keep it as a base, or you can keep it on the top. Either you can keep it as a base or keep it on the top and leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes. The energy will transfer to the water and the water will become structured. It can stay in that zone for 10 days. The moment you energize, structurize, it can last for 10 days with that structure, and you can give it to your family, you drink yourself and all this stuff. And the benefits, in the previous slide, actually these are the key benefits of drinking structured water or having the BioDisc with you all the time. If you look at energize the water that you are consuming, increases your body energy levels. So basically, it will help to uptake the nutrition internally into the cell. Hydration will be enhanced, hydration will be improved. So obviously your cell will get enough nutrition, whatever that you are consuming, it will reach to the cell. Okay, otherwise your regular water, which is dead water, it usually causes bloating, floating, retention. Have you heard of these terms? Bloating, floating, retention. That is very, very high with ordinary water. Whereas structured water enters into the cell 100% and also brings out toxins or waste products, all kind of metabolic waste products. To send it out of the cell is also 100%. So you consume this water every day, 3 to 4 liters, you will have a more frequent urination, which is also a good point. If you start drinking structured water, you have to see the restroom more than one. your regular. There is actually a good indication. There is a price that we have to pay for good health. Okay? Because it doesn't stay in your body. It will be flushed out. Okay? Now, how to use in our homes? One, you can put it in your refrigerator also, where we keep all our fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, all this stuff where we store. Okay? There's a simple experiment that you can do. You buy green leaves from the store, okay, and you see them, they are dried in the sun or whatever, and you put it in the refrigerator. Even with that kind of damage, it will only stay 1 or 2 days. After that, they start rotting, damaging, right? But if you place it, biodisc inside the refrigerator, the same green leaves can stay double the time, and simply by washing in structured water, the leaves will start getting life. You can see with your eyes. The same leaves, you dip it in the biodisc water and keep it outside. Let it dry. You will see them very, very fresh. It is because not only human body, even fruits, vegetables, you take apple or any kind of fruits, they are all made of water. And water structure is detrimental to define the quality of life of that particular fruit or vegetable. So when you alter the structure, the shelf life extends. When you alter the structure in your body, your shelf life also extends. A simple understanding, okay? Now you can also use personal care products like your facial creams or whatever that we apply. You can put it on the biodisc and the energy transfers to the creams and all kinds of substances. Their absorption into your skin, you can see it enhanced. Okay, the absorption into your skin will be enhanced. So a cream applied normally, which is not energized, you will see it still oily. Whereas the one which is put it onto the biodisc and applied the other hand, you will see that absorbed, it's dry. Everything went inside, okay? And one of the benefits of the biodisc, other than all the benefits that are mentioned here, if you carry on your body, it will actually activate the living water or easy water in your body, and you will find the difference. Immune boosting is something amazing, okay? Your body naturally increases the immunity towards all kinds of infections and all this stuff. So you will not fall sick with a regular common cold, flu and all this stuff. Okay? If I may, if you allow me, I will share, story from my own family. Can I? Yeah, it may help you understand, okay? 2006, I got the first biodisc. I look at it as a scam and all this stuff. Then I did experiments my own. 3 months down the line, I started understanding the structured water concept, understanding the research done by various scientists. Then the first thing what I did was, I gifted my biodisc to my parents. My father is also a doctor practicing clinic back in India, and my brother is also a doctor, younger brother. Okay, he was studying that time. And what I told them, I didn't explain anything. I just told you have to manufacture structured water and consume and drink. That's it. Okay. My father is practicing, right? He is in the clinic. He sees at least 40 to 50 patients, and every time he need to write a prescription, he need a bifocal glasses. He need to put the glasses because the distance he cannot see it. So short distance he cannot see it. He need to put the glasses to write. 2 years passed, 2008, he's continuously drinking the water because I told the maid in the house to do it. Because I know my parents won't listen to me, obviously, right? They don't trust anything that you say, especially your kids say, no, you are still small kid for us. Okay, so I told the maid, you have to manufacture, prepare the structured water and give to parents. Okay, my father's bifocal glasses, which he was using for last 15 years, not required after 2 years of consuming structured water. So he was unintentional. He don't even realize that he need to use the glasses. And he was able to write every single thing, the vision actually improved. The quality actually improved. And recent, 30 days back, my brother was practicing in his clinic and one patient came, India's status currently, right? Okay, and he was coughing. And next 2 days back, he passed away. After passed away only, they did the COVID test. It came positive. Okay, in villages or in the towns, they don't go for testing voluntarily. Okay, something happened, then only they'll go. So he passed away, the patient passed away, and my brother, who is actually, seen him, treated him from a distance with all the protection, but still he found positive, COVID positive. Okay, my own brother I'm talking about. Right? He tested positive, but not at all. The symptoms are very, very mild. Only 2 days, 101 fever, okay, and there is a slight sore throat for 2 days, and nothing, no symptom. This is 30th day. That's what everything is absolutely fine. Then my mother was also found positive following day, like couple of days back. 30 days, not a single symptom. So what exactly here, the difference between those people who are getting the symptoms and very prominent symptoms and the people who are very asymptomatic kind, probably the immune system in our body. Do you all agree with that? Immune system. So whatever that can help the immune system, why not? Give it a try. I'm not saying this is the only one. Why not give it a try? Yeah. So Biodisc is such kind of a product. It is not at all a replacement for medical therapy or medicines. It is an adjunctive therapy. Whatever that you are doing, you are giving medicines, you are prescribing stuff, do it. But ask them to drink this water and see how the patients respond to it. Okay. So we have done clinical studies with a very prominent scientist in Russia. His name is Dr. Konstantin Korotkov. He also invented a device which can test a human biofield, okay, GDV, gas discharge visualization device, and he's the inventor. He also got FDA cleared, right? FDA cleared product, and you can test this GDV technology on you, and we can see how your energy field or biofield it is, and what kind of energy your systems are having, or organs are having. So Dr. Konstantin Korotkov also visited Malaysia many times. He has conducted the test on the Biodisc, a clinical study on 30 individuals, 15 placebo and 15 control and 15 on the Biodisc for 2 months, and the entire results were published in the famous journals. As you see, this is a journal of applied biotechnology and bioengineering, and we have also another clinical study conducted on various kinds of water that are available in the market, like Evian, like ordinary brand and all this stuff. And we have a clinical study which is also published in International Journal of Complementary and Alternative Medicine. So all these clinical data is available, okay, on the Unit website and also on our social media channels. This product doesn't require like phase 3 clinical trial, because we are talking about water which is absolutely otherwise, any bacteria or anything is there, it is not going to harm you, right? So when you have a molecule that is produced in a pharmacy lab, definitely we know it is possible or bound to have side effects. Okay, that's why you have to do, must do phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Okay, so here we are doing preliminary or pilot studies, good enough to confirm the benefits, and we are also taking anecdotal testimonies from all the population who are using worldwide our products. The testimonies are unbelievable. I don't need to talk for them, they are the real testimonies. Those people who are getting the results, they are anecdotal, they are live examples of our product benefits. Okay, and finally, yeah, this is the GDV result, before and after. If you can see before, our ordinary water, when you are consuming it, your body biofield with a GDV machine, it shows that they are not profound. They are having a lot of irregularities, okay, a lot of gaps, which denotes your organ energy is very, very low, and you're bound to get a lot of health issues or medical complications later on. Okay, or maybe currently you're having it also. The moment you consume structured water, certain period of time, and the same machine, same test, same person, the energy field will be shown different. Okay, and this device is widely available even in Malaysia, right? It's available in Malaysia where you can test yourself. You can even use in your clinics as a diagnostic tool to understand more than what you test with the blood, with all kinds of regular biochemical testing. So here it is something advanced, integrated medicine. Okay. Now I want to introduce the last product for this. Okay, there is also one more study. Quickly I have to run through this one, because this study is conducted by another prominent scientist, Dr. Beverly Rubik from USA. So Dr. Beverly Rubik is a PhD, and also she is the one involved in a clinical or in a scientific study where human biofield is scientifically accepted as a term. Biofield, it is right now in a medical dictionary. It was not existing before 1990 or 1994. So a group of scientists tested and they confirmed that human body has a field called biofield. One of the scientists in this 20 group of scientists is Dr. Beverly Rubik. So what she has done, she done a testing of crystallization using sodium chlorate in aqueous solution, and she used a few competitor products. That means we do have a few products in the market which claim structurizing the water, and compared how our product actually performing against similar kind of influencing products of structuring the water. And this is exploratory study presented in Water Conference in 2019 Germany. It is already presented by Dr. Beverly Rubik to a panel of scientists in 2019 Water Conference. So we're already there, and Dr. Rubik is our scientific advisory board member of QNet. So the study is very interesting. If you look at this is the procedure of the clinical study of crystallization, and they used the technology optical rotatory dispersion of the polarized light. Okay. There are two types of rotation. One is left rotation of the crystal. There is a right rotation of the crystal. A right rotation, the more higher, the more lively water, or water with vitality or life. Okay, that is the conclusion. Right spin, it is the most profound for human body. Okay. Now look at what kind of products they have taken. Dr. Beverly Rubik has taken all the 6 products that you see, various kinds of tools that can influence the water. These are the tools available in the market currently, which you can use it to structurize the water. Okay, there is a Vivo structured water, dynamic magnetic field. You heard of magnetic field, dynamic magnetic field, acoustic field, where the frequency is given to the water and the water structure will change. Okay, we also know that if you pray to the water for long enough period of time, the water structure will change with just influence of your words and all this stuff, right? So we also have Biodisc 3 and purple plate, which is Tesla technology. And finally, we have pyramidal structure, pyramids kind of structure, wooden structures and all. So let us see what is Biodisc result here, okay? We know what is Biodisc right now, and we are going to show you the result, okay? First of all, against the control, okay? Control means nothing, no change, everything as it is, right? It exactly showed the proportion between left to right, 50%, exactly 50-50. The Biodisc energized water, the right spin is 81%. 81% right spin. That means the left spin stopped, it all turned into right spin, which is amazing result, 81%, okay? Now, if you look at the crystal, even in the ball, you can see the crystal, it is hexagonal, right? It is hexagonal. The design is also hexagonal, okay? Now, let us see other products, how they performed it. The other products, like Tesla plate. Tesla plate is like the purple plate that you see, and the water was kept there, and the same experiment actually conducted, and it is showing 64.9 against the control. Ours is 81, it is 64.9, the second best, you can say, second best. Okay, then we have the pyramidal structure showing nothing, no difference. Okay, and the final conclusion also you can see in the entire table of all the 6 products that we have taken. And finally, the graph which is showing the Biodisc with highest amount of rotation to right. The crystals are rotating to the right. So all this data, all these scientific experiments are good enough to show that water, it is getting better after using the Biodisc, and our body requires structured water compared to the dead water. So that means any which ways we have to drink water, why not drink the best? You all getting my point? Why not drink the best? Okay, why we have to compromise with damaged structure, dead water and all this stuff? Okay, finally we have, okay, this video I want to play about how Biodisc 3 can help in our day-to-day life. benefits, right? Like stress relief, increasing, detoxification, all this stuff. Okay, this is actually one of the pitch video that we have. Now we are coming to the last segment, maybe next 10 minutes. We are going to actually understand about something which we heard before my talk. We heard about wounds and all this stuff, right? We heard about all these kinds of wounds with, healing and all we are talking about. Our body having cells, right? Every single cell has light. You heard of it? This term, biophoton. Okay, so we are not just only energy beings. We are first human beings, we are energy beings. We are also light beings. A weak, light is emitted from our cells. It is called as biophotons. Very, very essential for communication between cells, from brain to your organs. All kinds of synaptic activity also shows the biophoton activity that is actually coming out of your cells. And Professor Fridge, Albert Koch, is the inventor, you can say, father of biophotons. Okay, he tested and proved that not only human beings, even a leaf has biophotonic emission. A fruit has a biophotonic emission. Okay, and biophotonic emission can determine right now whether you are healthy or you are suffering from a disease. It depends on the kind of biophotonic emission coming out of your body, whether it is symmetric or whether it's chaotic, whether it is in sync or whether it's out of sync. All these kinds of biophotonic emissions can determine your health status right now. Okay, and what we are going to introduce right now with the concept of biophotons and the biodisc, and also, have you heard of light therapy? Using various colors of light, you can treat a wound or even to your body, because psychologically it will affect you. Okay, you can bring back a stressed person to a lively person. Colors. Three things we are combining: light therapy, biophotonic emission, and the biodisc energy into one product, which we call it as Amespa BioLite 3. So the BioLite 3 is a portable handheld device where you need to open the front lid and put the biodisc inside. Only with the biodisc inside it is very, very effective. Okay, so it is operated with a battery, lithium polymer battery. Very easy to turn it on. Very easy to turn it on with a touch sensor. And there are 4 colors of light. Red, with another touch it becomes green. Next touch it will become blue. Next touch it will become white. 4 colors of LED light. The red color is very, very good for wound healing and all this stuff. There is center LED inside the BioLite, which is near infrared 850 nanometer wavelength. If you know the wavelength of infrared, 850 is therapeutically proven. So that one is constantly on, coming out of the BioLite. Whenever you are using it on your body, it is not meant for only wound healing. We are not only talking about wound healing, it's for pain relief. It is for activating your liquid also. It is for psychosomatic, even to give boost to your psychological status. Okay, you can actually do it or apply on your body anywhere. So BioLite 3 is an innovation in light therapy along with biophotons and the biodisc energy. So it can take these biophotons deeper into your tissues and it can help to give various benefits. I told you the 4 colors. The benefits of the 4 colors are mentioned here, and we got a lot of clinical references for these color benefits. Each color, there are certain benefits. Like for example, red, it activates your cells, even elevates your mood, helps cell regeneration, and also activate the hormones. The blue color is anti-inflammatory, it calms your nerves, okay, and also the green detoxifies your liver. All these kinds of benefits, each color has it. Near infrared, the center LED is near infrared, which has got proven benefits, clinically tested and also published data is available. It aids in wound healing. So you can shine, along with whatever modalities that you are doing, you can shine the red LED on the wound for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the device will automatically turn off. It's an auto programmed, and you do it 3 to 4 times a day and see how the wound is responding, and you can start understanding how biophotons can enhance the repair of the cells. So many things. You can testify your own self. I mean, we are telling, you may not believe. Okay, because the testimonies are going to be real when you try. Okay, so this is about the BioLite 3, and we got a small video also to play about how this BioLite 3 can be used and what are the various benefits that we can get in a small pitch video.
Experiencing stiff neck or muscle pain? Get instant relief with the Emescor BioLite 3. Specially designed to be used with the Emescor BioDisc 3, the device uses biophoton light therapy that comes in 4 colors, each with a different healing property. The infrared light is always on to relieve pain, improve blood circulation, and aid in skin repair. The red light helps elevate moods, activate hormones, and promote cell regeneration. The green light energizes your food for nutrient stimulation, detoxes your body, and helps relieve stress. Whereas the blue light improves sleep, calms nerves, and increases metabolism. BioLite 3's white lights also help to improve and balance energy levels by increasing positive vibrations and purifying your surroundings, resulting in greater peace of mind. The device is eco-friendly and power efficient. There are 3 speeds for you to choose from: fast mode, slow mode, and torch mode. Don't worry, it's completely UV-free and easy to use. All you need to do is place the BioDisc 3 inside the BioLite 3 compartment with the convex surface facing up. Secure the cover and press the on-off sensor for 5 to 7 seconds to activate the device. To change the color of the light according to your needs, touch the on-off sensor. Shine the light on the body area that's hurting for 15 minutes per session. We recommend using this product 3 to 4 times a day for better results. Unleash the full power of the light with Emescor BioLite 3.
So we do have some restrictions where you should not use it, like directly into your eyes. You should not use it. Obviously, your eyes are very sensitive to high threshold light. It's like 170 lumens light. It is not ideal to shine directly into your eyes. So you avoid certain areas of your body, especially where there's a metal implants and all this stuff. If you have metal implants, avoid. In case of brain tumors, avoid on the brain. If somebody having pacemaker, avoid shining on the heart. Otherwise, you can use it. Or even somebody pregnant, don't shine it on the fetus. Yeah, because the baby is very sensitive to the light. So otherwise, you can use on other parts of your body, whether it can be knee joint, shoulder joint, back pains. Nowadays, many people have occupational stress. All in your joints, neck, stiff neck and all. You can try, and you can actually see the results for your own self. And we have Dr. Beverly Rubik, who is actually from USA, and she sits on our board, scientific advisory board. She talks about the light therapy. Let's listen to her for 1 minute, and we are almost at the end.
Hello, I'm Dr. Beverly Rubik. I'm excited that QNet is launching the Emescor BioLite 3, a new wellness device for you and your family that everyone will want to add to their home care. The new BioLite 3 emits packets of light. In science, we call them photons. So, we call this light therapy or photon therapy. Whenever you hurt yourself and have pain or swelling from a cut, a bruise, a strain, or sprain, use BioLite 3 to speed your recovery. You'll feel better faster. How does it work? Photon therapy increases your blood circulation using pulses of infrared and colored light that penetrate into your body and take away the biochemicals associated with injury that your body makes. This means pain relief and faster healing. Did you know that NASA astronauts use photon therapy for injuries during space travel because they don't want to take any drugs that might affect their performance? Photon therapy is completely safe. It's the new state-of-the-art in advanced self-care. I know you will enjoy using the sleek, beautiful Emescor BioLite 3, and so will everyone else.
Okay. So basically, if you understand from our talk, even the NASA scientists in space, they don't want to use medicines for that particular time duration. They use light therapy. as a best method to alleviate any kind of pain in our body. So we have a very strict disclaimer on our QNet. If you go to the QNet website, very strict disclaimer that BioDisc, BioLite, even the pendant that I'm wearing, cheap pendant, all these products are not meant to diagnose, not meant to treat. It is not a medical device. It is actually a adjunctive therapy. It helps to recover. Okay? It boosts whatever that you are trying to do or in your regular practice. Add speed of recovery. Okay? So very clear disclaimer. We have it on our products, and we have a booth also outside where we are giving out the information in the form of leaflets, like a list card, pitch card, and also a few experiments also you can do on your, in front of you, we can demonstrate. And lot of information is also available on our QNet website. Okay, I hope you learned something, or maybe you heard something new today, correct? Talking about structured water is maybe never heard, maybe most of you. So it can add value. This session might have added value to your life, and we hope and expect that you try for yourself. No harm, you're not losing anything. The moment you start seeing the results in your patient population, or in fact in your own family, yourself, that's when your belief level automatically starts going up. Okay. With this, I thank you for this opportunity by this amazing body. Okay, and it's nice talking to all the practitioners. Okay, I have done one session of 400 medical doctors in Uganda back in 2011. I exactly got those memories back now. Okay, talking to a group of medical doctors is really challenging at the same time, because you have a different mindset, right? And I'm sure I can relate to you exactly what you're feeling in your mind right now. It's a different mindset, and this concept is entirely different for you. Okay, slowly, the moment you start doing research, understanding, trying, experimenting, your belief levels will go up. Thank you very much. I will take any questions that you have.
$multi-million question.
Yeah, we can tell you at the booth, sir, no problem. The multi-million-dollar question, how much it costs. Okay, now I will ask you a question. Okay, this product works 30 years. As I mentioned, and we have all the test reports saying that it is structured water. It is converting ordinary purified water into structured water. Okay, how much you would like to pay for it? 30 years, next 30 years. I mean, you understand my point? Like a COVID vaccine, I invented COVID vaccine. How much I can sell it? It depends on what is the value that is adding to the life. Yeah. So we are, I think, very fantastic price point that QNet has chosen. Okay, it is not too cheap, it is not at all expensive. Okay, it is exactly in the middle range. Understanding the benefits, and we also want somebody to buy and use it effectively, not just only buy and keep it in a cupboard. You need to use it on a daily basis. Yeah. Yes, please. No, we are not at Zamzam is just an analogy. Okay. Zamzam water has minerals in it. Zamzam water has minerals in it by nature, right? It is coming from the 3 rocks and it's actually gushing out from the 3 rocks. So that water has naturally embedded minerals. Okay, whereas if this bottle of water that you are taking, it doesn't have any minerals. For example, it is plain water. BioDisc only adds structure to it. It's only adding life force to it. It doesn't add minerals to it. The difference is Zamzam is still structured mineral water or structured healing water, whereas this one is dead water right now converted into structured water only. The minerals are still not there. But even with that structure alone, you will get a lot of benefits. You will have a lot of hydration benefits and all this stuff. Okay?
So Zamzam is already naturally mineralized, naturally structured as well. But we don't live there to get minerals.
Not 3 glasses, 3 liters.
3 liters?
Yeah.
How long do I need to take for it to have impact on my body?
Usually in less than 2 to 4 weeks, your body start to detox. So you will start seeing the difference in energy levels. Approximately 2 to 3 weeks, you will already start seeing it. I mean, you will not see it. The people surrounding you will say, hey, something different in your energy levels. Okay, even for yourself, you are not started feeling sick or maybe tired, fatigue. How many of you feel fatigue by evening? Simple question. Okay, you are practicing from morning, by the evening time you are dropping, your shoulders are dropping, you are losing energy and all this stuff. If you are drinking structured water, you are exactly the same level how you were in the morning, until evening or until night. It all depends on how much water you want to consume from Biodisc water, and also carry the product on your body. Okay, simply Biodisc, it's not so big, so you can keep it in your pocket. Ladies can carry in your purse. Doesn't matter because the energy field is quite big. So you can carry in your bag or in your body. It's good enough, and it will help you throughout the day.
It's more.
Okay? Thank you.
I think the watch should be the first one.
Come again?
The watch should be the first one to know that.
Yeah. You should be the one. Definitely. Yeah. Well, you're talking about your wife, right? Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
basically for the
Sure,
mobile
demo.
phone radiation, it's a fantastic. See, nowadays we're talking about 4G and now 5G, right? You know the potential danger of 5G. It's gonna be tremendous changes. The moment we will have 5G in Malaysia, I'm telling you, the range of emission from the 5G towers, it is 10 times higher than what is 4G right now. Okay? Yeah. So maybe I can show a real demo quickly if you guys are okay. Yeah. How a mobile phone can make you weak, because just by holding a mobile phone you will feel that you're not able to focus. Your brain cannot focus on a task that I give you just now. Okay. So maybe can I pick anyone? Okay. I'll take a young gentleman maybe. Doctor, you wanna come? Simple. Come. A simple demonstration. I need your mobile phone also. This testing, we call it as kinesiology testing. Have you heard of kinesiology? It's all about testing balance, strength, flexibility and all this stuff. So, if you are able to hear me without mic, let's try. Okay. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, somebody asked the question, okay, mobile phone radiation, is it healthy for our body or not? Okay. Let us test. I invited a doctor. Your good name? Arman. Okay. Now, Arman, okay, whether he is strong or not, let us see. Just by holding his mobile phone in his own right hand, okay, keeping it straight. For the control method of testing, I am asking his 2 feet to touch closer. So when I do this test, the 2 feet has to be in 0 base. That means if it's wide, I'm very strong on my base, but I'm closer. If I simple push, he will fall. See, it's going off. You understand? 0 base is very, very important to test before and after. Okay, and so your 2 feet has to be closer. Touch. Like that. Okay. Now his left hand is free, right? So I will take the left hand as a lever. I use my hand, hold it in my fist is holded by his left hand. So it's like a lever. Okay. I'm just going to apply pressure straight down. So what will happen? 1, 2, and 3. I will take him for a walk, right? So when I press his hand, what will happen? Because he is standing on a base which is 0. Obviously, when there is a pressure, obviously he will fall off. Okay? Can you do your best to stop me? That means basically I'm asking him to show your energy, how much you have, to stop and stay focused on this simple task where you're holding a mobile phone and I'm actually trying to dislodge him. Okay? Try right now. So if somebody says hypnotism works, this is the right time. I mean, I'm already giving him, right? You need to concentrate, you need to focus. So let's see. Hold my hand, put your 2 feet closer, touch, give your best, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Come on. Still the same, yeah? So what is the main problem here is the mobile phone. I'll keep the mobile phone out and I'll give him what is called the Biodisc, okay? You put it in your hand. See, you guys don't believe me, right? So you just hold it in your hand, okay? Like to energize our body, you can rub it.
Put in the pocket.
Okay? That means when you move anything on the energy disc, the moving particles pick up the energy faster. Okay? So just do like this. Okay? Just clockwise. Clockwise, yeah. Okay? And put it in your pocket after 1 minute.
just do it. Just do it. Do it after 1 minute. And we also have a pendant. Okay, cheap pendant. Nothing to do with any kind of religion. Pure science. It has got a chip made of crystal powders, 15 crystal powders from USA, quantum field technology. Okay, that is the technology used in the pendant. There's a chip inside, there's a PCB board inside, there's a copper coil inside, and this pendant emits 100 over natural frequencies. And these frequencies from the heart energy center is directly transferred to your brain energy center. If you look at the energy centers, heart is connected to the brain. So what does it do? Okay, it gives the natural frequencies kind of environment to your brain. Okay, imagine yourself stuck in a traffic jam where bombardment on, every car is honking. There's a construction happening, there's a lot of noise. How do you feel? Your brain cannot take these kind of sounds, right? You get stressed. But what if you are at a beach or in a rainforest and listening to birds singing? When you wake up in the morning, does it look very fresh when you're listening to birds singing? Right? Our brain has intelligence towards natural frequencies, but we are living in man-made frequencies. So this is a pendant which allows you to live in the nature while you are in the midst of man-made concrete jungle. Okay? Right. So you already have the biodisc. You want to hold the biodisc in your hand. So take the biodisc out. Just for the experimental sake, you can keep it in your hand. So there is no mobile phone, right? Okay? Put your mobile 2 feet closer. Okay? Hold my hand nice and tight. Whatever energy that you have, you try to hold that energy. Stop me, okay? Look straight. 1, 2, and 3. Come on. Yes! Yes! The same person, right? Have you taken any kind of, boosting drugs? Nothing, right? It's all about. It's very, very difficult, right? Let me try one more time, okay? Maybe you're thinking that I'm not pressing hard. You can try on him yourself, okay? Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Hold my hand. Put your 2 feet closer. Okay, look straight. You concentrate and try to stop me as much as you can. 1, 2, and 3. Come on! Sorry, something wrong. Okay? Something really wrong. Put your 2 feet closer. Look straight. Concentrate.
2,
Yes.
3.
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Give a round of applause, guys. Really, really good. Yeah. Okay, some people may think it's a magic, Really, it is a clear science. It is a clear science of negative radiation affecting your brain waves. You cannot concentrate. The moment you are affected by, that's why you look at our people today, our kids today at our home, who are watching mobile phones, who are watching television for long, they cannot concentrate. Are you getting complaints about your kids from school?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's all because of radiation coming from your mobile phones, your iPads, your television screens. The best way to protect them, either have a pendant or have the biodisc, water given to him, and also the biodisc itself kept, in a house. Anyway, it has got 8 meters of energy field, so no problem. It will cover a good distance. Okay? And yeah, any more questions? Oh. Come again? Oh, price. See, I am the product development. That means I am the one with the help of Dr. Anura. Okay, by the way, give a round of applause to Dr. Anura. She is really the person who connected the scientist to QNet. Okay, she's responsible person for getting the brains to QNet, and with the help of the scientific community support, I am actually the product owner. You can say product owner, product development manager for this group, AMESQA, for this vertical. Okay, all the products are produced by us. Okay, so the brains of Dr. Anura, myself, and the scientists. Okay, and the price, you can actually go to our booth there outside, and they will explain you everything. Okay.
Less than 3K.
So thank you very much. We are good?
Yes.
Thank you. It is something that you have entirely learned different, right? Thank you very much. Have a fantastic